Put this stuff on it? Yeah. Hey, we're here in the Nanotech West clean room. We're about to go finish up the installation of our new Heidelberg maskless alignment system. Let's go! All right, let's head into the litho bay. Here's our new Heidelberg maskless alignment system, the MLA 150. This system enhances our photolithography capabilities here at Nanotech West Labs. Instead of using traditional photomask, the system uses direct write lasers to write patterns right on users' samples. Researchers can now go from idea to design to finished product seamlessly. This greatly speeds up the development of all the amazing chips, sensors, and devices that we make here every day.
In addition to not having to design and purchase masks, we actually don't have to touch the wafer, so it's contactless, which is really important for many of our researchers. We are able to now work on samples that are not flat, that also may have some stress, and also various shapes and sizes.
Comparing the MLA to our current systems, the new intuitive system design will be easy to train users, and from a user perspective, the sample alignment will be less complicated because of the 3 high-resolution cameras, and the process is done with software.
In my own particular research program, this is great for infrared detectors and focal plane arrays, where we can do rapid prototyping and help us get these deep sub-wavelength features. So the fact that you can make extremely small feature sizes and do this rapidly helps us basically materialize our ideas into a rapid prototype.
With the addition of the MLA 150, we've really increased our range of capabilities here at Nanotech West. We can cover everything from sub 20 nanometers with the electron beam lithography tool through resolution of about 600 nanometers with the new laser writer, and up to couple hundred microns with our contact aligners.
At Ohio State, it will help us compete internationally and nationally with other research programs. It'll also help us the industry, and more than the tool, we also have great staff here at Nanotech West who can then help leverage this particular tool to its best ability.
As a user facility here at The Ohio State University, Nanotech West's tools are open and available to users within the Ohio State community and external to Ohio State. We are available to academic institutions as well as companies here within the state of Ohio and regionally. And the new system is actually going to extend our capabilities and our range of lithography tools for our researchers. It's really important for the breadth and mix of users that we have here at Ohio State, and so we're really excited for the new system.